It's going to be a busy weekend for Roland. I mean, on Saturday you're going to be walking for Make-A-Wish. You're going to be riding on Sunday for our veterans and for military families.
All for a good cause, though, right?
Yeah.
Yes, indeed.
Busy weekend.
Now the question is, what's the weather going to be looking like this weekend? Well, it's going to start getting a little touchy. I'll explain why here in just a second, my friends. But right now we have a nice evening that's going on here across the Treasure Valley. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. There you can see it. The temperatures are starting to warm up. You know, yesterday we had a little scattering of showers here and there, but it looks like it's fairly dry and fairly stable for us here in the Treasure Valley this evening. Here's the Doppler radar in motion. Here you can see the Treasure Valley, and it is very dry. Now there's a couple little showers developing out to the south and to the east of the Owyhees, but it looks like most of the shower activity this evening is really favoring the southeastern part of the state. So folks around the Magic Valley are going to continue to see the possibility of some scattered showers this evening. I think we are, for the most part, going to be dry. Okay, so temperatures today, the high 71 degrees. That is 6 degrees cooler than normal. We had a little bit of a northwesterly flow today, helped to keep the temperatures down. The record for the state, 98 degrees, set back in 2007. Now on the satellite imagery, take a look. There you can see that little batch of clouds and some of those showers affecting the south central part of the state. But as I zoom out with the satellite, I draw your attention to this little feature developing off the coastline of San Francisco. This is a low in the upper levels of the atmosphere, and while it looks small and it looks benign, it really is. But the question is, what is it going to be doing as we get into the weekend? Forecast models are projecting that that area of low pressure is going to continue to dig down toward the south. As it digs, it's going to amplify and intensify just a little bit. That's going to start allowing our temperatures to start warming up with a southerly flow ahead of that low. Then we're going to be watching for this moisture as the low transitions across to Nevada and Utah. We could see some of the outer fringe of that moisture here late Saturday and possibly late Sunday. So for right now, I'm just going to say slow warming trend with a few afternoon showers, and I'm going to need to see what's going to happen with that area of low pressure as we get into the weekend. On the Futurecast, look at the models projecting tomorrow morning, mostly dry conditions here across much of the Treasure Valley. Should be a fairly dry day, but I can't rule out the chance of a couple of showers developing in the afternoon with this kind of a flow and some of that moisture that's surrounding the area. Now looking ahead toward Friday, a scattering of mountain showers, but again, here across the Treasure Valley, it should be mostly dry on Friday. Then we're going to be watching to see what that low pressure system does down toward the south, because as it treks across Nevada and Utah, I could tell you Nevada and Utah is going to see rain. Will we see some of it? It's a possibility, especially with the heating of the day in the afternoon on Saturday and Sunday. So I'm going to say chance of some showers late Saturday and late Sunday. Then Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday next week, it's going to be really nice. And there you can see the temperatures warming back up into the 80s this weekend. The mountains will be seeing partly cloudy skies for the next couple of days with a chance of a few showers, but a better chance of some shower activity on Saturday and Sunday in the mountains, with drier conditions expected next week. So that's it. That's all I have to say. Next 2 days should be fairly nice.
But the weekend kind of iffy.
I'm not going to go there right now. I'm not going to commit myself quite a bit.
All right. Okay. Thank you, Roland.